Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll explore the world of French skincare routines. French women are known for their effortless beauty and radiant skin, and their skincare regimen plays a significant role in achieving that inviolable glow. In this video today, we'll uncover the secrets of the French skincare routine, focusing on simplicity, efficacy, and self-care. The French skincare routine evolves around gentle yet effective practices. So let's dive into the key steps, shall we? Step 1. Cleansing. Start with a thorough yet gentle cleanse. French women opt for mild cleansers that remove impurities without stripping the skin's natural oils. Look for products like micellar water or creamy cleansers for a refreshing and purifying experience. Step 2. Toning. Toning is crucial in the French skincare routine to rebalance the skin's pH and optimize product absorption. French toners are often alcohol-free and infused with botanical extracts for hydration and refreshment. Step 3. Hydration. Hydration is essential for the coveted French glow. Choose lightweight, non-greasy moisturizers that nourish the skin without clogging pores. You should look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, or shea butter to replenish and hydrate. Now, step 4, which is serum and active ingredients. Serums are power-packed in the French skincare routine. They target specific concerns like fine lines and dullness. Seek serums with active ingredients such as vitamin C, retinol, or niacinamide for rejuvenation and brightening effects. Step 5. Eye care. Delicate eye area deserves special attention. French women use eye creams or gels to hydrate, firm, and reduce puffiness and dark circles. Look for caffeine, hyaluronic acid, or chamomile-infused products to revitalize and soothe. Step 6. Sun protection. Protecting the skin from UV rays is paramount. French women religiously apply broad-spectrum sunscreen with high SPF to prevent premature aging and sun damage. Opt for lightweight, non-greasy formulas for UVA and UVB protection. And finally, we come to step 7, which is occasional treatments. French women enjoy occasional treatments to pamper their skin. Treatments may include face masks, exfoliation, or facial massages for improved circulation and radiance. Consistency is key in skincare, guys. The French approach emphasizes daily self-care, treating the skin with kindness and respect. By adopting the French skincare routine, you can nurture your skin's natural beauty, achieving a healthy and radiant complexion. So, we hope you found this guide to the French skincare routine helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thank you guys for watching, and let's see if I can pronounce it right. Au revoir!